Today, I will show you the full traditional steps of the Ethiopian coffee ceremony and explain why it is such an important part of Ethiopian culture. The ceremony begins with preparing the space. Fresh green grass is often spread on the floor to symbolize nature and freshness. Beautiful traditional coffee cups, called sini, are arranged carefully on a tray. Incense is burned to create a relaxing aroma and to welcome guests with warmth and respect. In Ethiopia, coffee is not rushed. It is a moment to slow down and connect with people. First, the host, traditionally woman, washes the raw green coffee beans. This step removes dust and prepares the beans for roasting. The beans are then placed on a small pan called Mukecha. Everyone watching knows something special is about to begin. Now comes one of the most exciting parts. The host slowly roasts the coffee beans over hot charcoal. The beans begin to crack and turn dark brown. Soon, the rich aroma of freshly roasted coffee spreads throughout the room. The host often moves the pan toward the guests so everyone can smell the coffee. This moment is a sign of hospitality and respect. After roasting, the beans are placed in a traditional wooden mortar called Mukecha. Using a pestle known as Zenezena, the host grinds the beans by hand. Or you can use by coffee grinder machine to smash the roasted beans. You can hear the rhythmic sound of grinding echoing softly. This step connects modern life with ancient Ethiopian traditions that have been practiced for generations. The ground coffee is then placed into a traditional Ethiopian clay coffee pot called the Jebena. Water is added, and the pot is placed on hot charcoal. Slowly, the coffee begins to boil and brew. This process takes patience, but patience is part of the beauty of the ceremony. Now the coffee is ready to serve. The host pours the coffee carefully from the Jebena into the small cups from a slight height. This skillful pouring prevents the coffee grounds from entering the cups. The coffee is often served with snacks like popcorn, roasted barley, bread. Sugar is usually added, but in some regions salt or butter may be used. The Ethiopian coffee ceremony is not finished with just one cup. Traditionally, there are 3 rounds of coffee. Abol, the first and strongest cup. Tona, the second round. Bereka, the third round, believed to bring blessings. Sharing all 3 cups together strengthens friendship and community bonds. Why the Ethiopian coffee ceremony is special. The Ethiopian coffee ceremony is more than drinking coffee. It is a time for conversations, community, respect, peace. In Ethiopia, inviting someone for coffee means inviting them into your life. Coffee brings people together. If you ever visit Ethiopia, make sure you experience this ceremony. Because once you sit down for Ethiopian coffee, you are no longer just a guest. You become family. Right, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful and entertaining. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for spending your time here with me. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.